Hello everyone. So the next is first we have to draw the ear part. Both the ears are done. Now taking a bow at the top, I think this is a Hello Kitty because she used to be a very cute cat and now I think she's going somewhere. She used to be really pretty among all the cats. Yeah. So that's not a Hello Kitty actually, but that's a cute kitty I should say. And the color coordination of Hello Kitty was actually white and pink, so this could be one. The next one here is we are drawing a deer, if that is a deer. This used to come in a very famous cartoon, I think. No, that's not a deer. That's a mouse. Okay, that is a mouse and he looks quite, I don't know what. So first we are drawing an umbrella and giving it some designs. Okay, so your umbrella is done. Now what are we going to do next is, okay, with the sketch pen we are just marking the lines and then putting some beautiful designs on your umbrella, as we all want a beautiful pretty umbrella. And in the end we'll just color all the parts together and that's it. That's how you can make a pretty umbrella, and this one looks really nice. It's like a mandala art. Thank you for watching the video, guys.